Alright, today we're going to do some body work. We got weight reduction going on right here. So first thing you want to do is go out and get yourself a box or two of beverages, hammer them down by, say, noon. And by 1 o'clock you should be ready to go. 1 o'clock comes around, you build yourself a stadium here. Well, I'll show you a stadium, it's pretty cool. Anyway, you're going to come over here and you're going to want to clean all this rust up right here. And this one is, oh, son of a, don't do that. Now I got DNA everywhere. Got rid of most of the evidence. Get stuck on creativity. Well, we're creative, all right. Anyway, well, there went the stadium. Yeah. What do you think, guys? Remember, don't drink and drive.